Hi, I'm Martin Lindsay from the Studying Learning Centre at RMIT University. This is a short movie on differentiation from first principles. The process of finding the derivative f-x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h is called differentiation from first principles. Just be aware that f-x is the same as dy dx. Let's look at an example. We want to differentiate f of x is equal to x squared minus x from first principles. Notice in the formula that we have three terms to investigate. We have the f of x plus h term, the f of x term, and the h term. So, let's start with the f of x plus h term first. Knowing f of x is equal to x squared minus x, what we do is we substitute x plus h wherever we see x. In other words, x squared becomes x plus h all squared, and x becomes x plus h. So we have x plus h all squared minus x plus h, which on expansion gives us x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x minus h. Now let's look at the fx term. Well, we already know that f of x is equal to x squared minus x, so we can simply leave this expression alone. In other words, x squared minus x is x squared minus x. So, let's substitute f of x plus h and f of x into the numerator of the formula at the top of the slide. And we get this. Notice on removing the brackets, the negative sign at the end of the line 2 becomes a plus x in line 3. Notice also that the x squared terms disappear and the x terms cancel out. So we're left with 2xh plus h squared minus h. So let's now return to the formula and substitute. We have in our numerator 2xh plus h squared minus h. Notice also that the numerator factorizes, so we can take h out, giving us h brackets 2x plus h minus 1. Notice also that there's an h on the bottom of this fraction, so the h's cancel, leaving us the bottom line f-x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of 2x plus h minus 1. Now let's look at the h approaches 0 part of our formula. And what that means is that as h approaches 0, the value of h gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So working your way down the slide, notice h gets smaller and smaller and smaller until it approaches 0. So we're left with f-x is equal to 2x minus 1. So, to conclude, the derivative of f(x) is equal to x squared minus x using first principles is f-x equals 2x minus 1. Now try some questions for yourself. The answers to these questions are on the next slide. Thank you for watching this short movie.